Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Sentra key battery. First, you'll need to identify the correct battery type for your key fob. A common one is the CR2032 coin cell. Next, gather your tools, primarily a small flathead screwdriver. It's also helpful to quickly familiarize yourself with your key fob's specific design to make the process smoother. Let's get started with opening the key fob. To begin, locate the small slot or notch on the side of your key fob. This is usually where the two halves of the casing meet. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a steady hand, carefully twist the screwdriver. This action will create a small gap, allowing you to pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This ensures you install the new battery correctly. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, insert the new battery, making sure the positive, or plus, side faces down into the compartment. Press it firmly into place to ensure a secure connection. Now it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear them snap shut completely and securely. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Nissan Sentra. If it works, you're all set. Remember to check the description below for a link to these amazing socks, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.